Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. Just one quick thing I was going to show. The item from Tiffany has arrived. It is in this box. Has the Tiffany wrapping paper in it. And I'm not going to open it up because it'll be somebody who wins. Again, this item and 9 other items will be in my giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Once I hit the 1,000 mark, I will give details as to how to enter the giveaway. And I will, again, be giving away 10 different things. And also, after I hit 1,000, the man behind the camera will make an appearance. So, so I'm just really excited about that. So I was excited this came. So I just thought that I'd show. I am going to send it just like this. I have not opened up the papers or anything. So, you'll get the true experience from start to finish, whoever wins this. So there's that.
And we've decided it's not a shoehorn.
No, it's not a shoehorn. Okay. All right, now what I have today for you is an unboxing. This is a true unboxing, as you can see. I'm a little concerned. The box seems very small for what I believe the item to be. Well, it should be what I ordered. So, look, the box is looking a little small. Now, this is from the Real. I don't buy very much from there. I mean, I buy SLGs more from there. I've never bought a bag from there except for one Kate Spade bag that I think I paid $30 for. This one was more than that. And I saw it and I really liked it. I don't know how I was not familiar with this bag before, but I was not. And I saw it and I decided I wanted to have it. I'm trying not to show my address here. And so, all right, it is shoved in there. Get the nice bag from the Real. I'll open it up here. Okay, good. All right. One of the things I was concerned about is it said that it was red, but I didn't think that it looked red. And it's not red. I got Louis Vuitton, and I believe this is called the Marley.
And me?
No. And it's an epi leather. And they had it listed as red, but this is orange. And this was listed in, I think it was very good condition. I don't know how I didn't know what this bag was, or I had never heard of this bag before. It came up when I did a search on the Real for orange bags. And it has the little clochette here yet. So it came with that. That's just right in there. And then it has a magnetic opening. So it opens just like that. It does come with a strap. The strap is not adjustable, which really wouldn't matter to me because if I wanted a different strap, I'd just take one of my other straps. And then I just love this. The magnetic closure. And then the interior is orange. I would say this is probably microfiber. That's definitely not suede. It's got one zipper pocket, and then it's got 2 other little pockets. I'm assuming one probably at one time fit a phone. Can't remember the year of this bag. I'd have to look it up. But yeah, this was, I thought, a really good price, and it's awesome. It is about the size that I thought it would be, and as we can see, I love my orange bags. So I thought I'd pick this one up. I'm really excited. I just thought this was so cute. How did I not know what the Marley was? I don't know, but I didn't know. Give you an idea for size reference. Here it is next to a Bayswater zip tote. So they're probably, so it's like wider than this. Base is pretty similar, except for the top comes up shorter. This is interesting too. It's got like snaps here that you could snap, but they actually are magnetic as well. So that's cool. I thought it would be similar, somewhat to this, but I thought it might be more similar to my Nano tote. And I was hoping it would be a little bit bigger, and I would say that it definitely is. It's definitely longer, I would say at the bottom it's definitely wider. And the Celine Nano Totes do not have feet. This does.
And you like feet.
I do like feet. And as far as height goes, I would say they're just about identical. So this was actually a really good size match. It's a little bit bigger than the Celine Nano Tote, which is great because my only complaint about the Celine Nano Totes is that they're just a hair smaller than I would like. This is just beautiful. So let me know, do you have any Marley bags? How did I miss out on these before? This is just beautiful. This is in fantastic condition. I don't see any marks on it. It's got the rolled leather handles. Like I said, it comes with a clochette. It says LV right here. The magnets are fantastic. I like the zipper part. I mean, the zipper part's nice and smooth. Oh, this is hilarious. Look what was in one of the pockets. This was not from Rebag. This is from the Real. Certified by Rebag. Serial number, blah, 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 blah. Marley handbag epi. This is listed as a BB. Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. So somebody must have got this from the from Rebag, sold it to the Real. The Real didn't take a look in the pockets. Man, I wish I could dig in here and find money, right? I've heard of people finding money in some of their some of their Real items. So I wouldn't mind that. So yeah, I am just so excited. So it was double authenticated. Yeah, I just love this. So yeah, let me know in the comments box below. Are you familiar with the Marley? Did you know about the Marley bag? This BB, this is so cute. I am so happy for the first bag that I've paid more than $30 for on the Real. This was great. I'm trying to remember what the price was on it. I can't remember. I'll put it in the description box down below, but it was a good deal, especially for an all leather bag with a nice interior. So that is all I have for you today was this unboxing. I can do a review on this if anybody would like me to. Just, again, leave it in the comments down below. I'd love to go over the details on it for you. And look at this. It even has silver hardware. I'm just so excited. Sorry. I'm just so pleased. Yeah, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Like I said, once I hit 1,000, I will be doing a big giveaway. My giveaway, you can hear about that, see about that in one of my past videos. If you just take a peek, you can find me over on Instagram. I'm there under James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. And again, I love comments. I love interacting with everybody and getting to know everybody a little in the comments. So please consider leaving a comment. If you like this, hit the like button. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.